Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can voice call on WhatsApp web. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to search in Google WhatsApp web and click on download WhatsApp. And for the PC, you simply need to click on download for Windows. So let me show you in my downloads that I download this already. So here you can see that once you download, you simply need to open WhatsApp. Okay, and you simply need to connect that with your WhatsApp to your smartphone. And okay, and then you need to select any conversation, and on the top you will find this icon. You simply need to click on that and you can easily call that person. So this is a process by which you can voice call on WhatsApp web. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.